So let's take a look really quickly at this in code. And so if I have my script here, let's just repeat what we just saw for let I equal 0. And then we will add the condition. And we're going to say as long as I is less than 10. And then the increment, of course, is I plus plus. So that is the for loop with the 3 arguments that are required. And next we're going to add some curly braces, open and close curly braces. And inside those curly braces, we're just going to say console.log, and we're going to log I to the console. And that's all script. And so let's save that, and let's take a look at what that does when we open it in the browser. Okay, and you can see in the console here, I know it's awfully small, but I cannot make the console bigger right now, so we'll just do our best to see this, 0 through 9 in the console. So that is the way a for loop works in a very simple way. And if I wanted to, I could say, we're going to print I times 2 to the console. And now it counts by 2, 0, or it counts by the multiples of those numbers. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, that sort of thing. I can also do things like say hello. If I wanted to say hello 10 times, I'm not sure why I would do that. And you can see here that in the way the console reads, since every line is the same, to save space, it just says 10. But what it's doing is printing hello 10 times. Now, if I want to, I can say hello plus I. And what happens here is that I will be recast as a string and concatenated with hello. So it'll say hello 1, hello 2, and so on. So there is that, hello 0 through hello 9. So we can do all kinds of things with a for loop. We don't have to include I or the control variable in our code, but we certainly can, and oftentimes we want to do that as part of the code. So that's a simple for loop, and that is how for loops work.